What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It is the winter time and the heat tape on the tiny house wasn't working and the pipes froze on one of my last guests. So I am having a friend come over today to help me put on new heat tape. Last year, I believe, January of 2025, some friends put some skirting on and they said that it was not necessary to put a door back there because I need to access those. We did put a door on the front of the skirting, but I am not going to crawl all the way 28 feet back just to access 1 foot of space at the back of the tiny house where I need to do all of the work. Just didn't really do anything with it until there was a problem. And this year in January 2026, there is a problem. So we want to get that remedied. Better late than never. So I'm going to go outside and set up a little workshop out there, bring out some tools and some materials, and I'm going to start cutting off the old insulation off of the pipes. I did get a heat tape in the mail today, so we're going to be putting a new heat tape on, and then when my friend gets here, we will finish the heat tape. Let's go. Okay, so this is the section we're going to be working in. I brought some cardboard out because we're going to be down on our backs and hands and knees under this 1 foot space. Now, the heat tape is out here. This is where the pipe runs. It runs from here all the way to the faucet, the spigot that's over there. It's all underground until it hits here. Everything from here and up is heat taped. And then the heat tape goes around some pipes that are in there. And then it gets heat taped up into that hole right there where you see the red cord, and then it gets plugged into the outlet that's up here. Now, one of the things that I want to mention is that I think I put this heat tape on wrong because this is the thermostat and this is supposed to be against the pipe and it's not. So I'm thinking that's why the pipes froze. So basically you have to do it all over again. Now, this board right here is supposed to have an access panel, but again, I was told it didn't need it, but it definitely does. I've always had an access panel back there because that's where my water plugs in. So it is a lot smarter to put an access panel there rather than going through this entrance, which is also a door. There's a door right there. I don't want to have to crawl in here and go all the way back 28 feet to a 1 foot spot and work underneath the house. So it is, in my opinion, a lot wiser to put an access door back here so that you can have access to all of that. We're going to be removing this panel that's right there, which is also on a piece of plywood, and there's house wrap in between. Now, he's not here right now, but I do have this new heat tape right here, and then we've got some electrical tape. I do have some zip ties if we need it, and then I've got screws, and he's got some tools also. So before he gets here, I'm going to be taking off all of this stuff just to start the process, and then we will get started. My friend showed up and we're about to take off this panel. We had to find the screws that were fixing the board to here, and there's one of them. There's kind of a lip that goes underneath it. We did take apart a couple of these to find the other screws. And now he's just taking off the spray foam that I had put in there for just to block the holes so that mice couldn't get in. We've got a whole little workstation over here. I do have a new heat tape. Okay, this entire panel was taken off. We did have to take off the vertical boards. We may or may not replace that heat tape, but the thing is that we need to put that thermostat against the pipe, which is underneath here. I've gotta figure it out before I make that decision. All right, so we may not have to switch this heat tape out. Basically what we're trying to do is make the thermostat touch that blue pipe, but the cord needs to come through this hole right here. So my friend is going to make a bigger hole right here so that the cord can fit through there. And so, I mean, the thermostat will fit through there, but it's only about 3 feet away from the plug. But the plug is all the way up there. So that needs to travel down into here. This is the thermostat, so this needs to go through that hole. And then we're going to get, I have a 6-foot extension cord on the way. Amazon's going to be delivering it, and it's going to be here in about 2 to 5 hours. So that's what will allow this to go through that hole, be put on that pipe, and then the extension cord will be able to be plugged all the way up there. So, and also that red heat tape right there was probably going to have to be put down so that the thermostat can go against the pipe long ways, because that's how it's supposed to. If we have to unwrap some of this to reconfigure the cord, then we'll do that. Then we're going to be making an access door on here so that I can access it easier without having to take this whole panel off just to access the heat tape, just in case I do need to replace it. Now he's just going to test the wire to see if it is working. All you have to do is touch the cord. We're going to be putting this red heat tape down a little bit more, wrapping it more like tighter to the blue pipe so that the thermostat, which is right there, can go against the blue pipe. Yep. And then we'll just use the electrical tape to affix it on there. Do I need to unplug anything for it to be able to?
No. You can.
Okay, we have the old heat tape still on, but the thermostat is now against the blue pipe, which is how it's supposed to be. And then we're gonna put this extra cord behind all of that, and it'll stay out. So we have that all fixed. None of the cords are overlapping. And the thermostat is touching the cord now, or the pipe. And then it comes up from there. We're going to be putting insulation in there. And then it actually still plugs in up there, which is a good thing. And then we'll get to making the door. Okay, so we finally got that heat tape fixed on my tiny house. It had to be done, and eventually I'm going to be building a door back there because there should have been one on there the entire time, but that is for a different video. But thank goodness I have another heat tape just in case this one goes out, and then once we build that door, there'll be easier access for me to get in there and change it out. But right now we have that thermostat on that blue pipe. Everything is re-insulated, and hopefully the tiny house is good to go as far as pipes. We are going to be getting some snow pretty soon, so at least we will be prepared for that. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification each time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thanks guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.